First, cut off the power supply and unplug the wires. Take 2 remote controls off. Disconnect the wires from these 2 ends. Take off the pillow. Then hold the top of the back and grab the bottom of the left wing. Slide up to take it off. Do the same thing for this side. Open the flap, grab the back and unlock the clip of both sides, and we can easily remove the backrest. To remove the arms, we need to push the seat, grab the bottom of the arm and pull upwards.